Okay, we have moved to the lab, it looks like. How about some spooktacular?
Spook-tacular.
Spook-tacular?
Spook-tacular.
Halloween experiments, exactly.
Yes, we're joined by Carmelo the Science Fellow. He's the Executive Director of the Brooklyn Preschool of Science. Welcome back to New York Living.
Yes, I'm back again, and I had no Halloween clothing, so I kind of look like a big pumpkin today.
No,
but
this is perfect.
It'll make the theme.
This is perfect.
And I
Is
promise
right
to
in
be
theme.
even more exciting than last time.
You know what? You were exciting the last time, so
All right, are you ready?
As long as we can, you know.
All right, check
This
this
is
out.
my first time.
Make
so-
things go
You got to
boom.
think now with AI and ChatGPT and Perplexity,
Yeah.
innovations are going to happen at an accelerated rate.
Okay.
So, I created a magical elixir here.
Okay.
All right. Now, don't panic. It's harmless. But I want you guys to put your hands out. We'll do it like this and
Yeah.
like this.
Okay.
I'm going to wet your hands.
Yeah.
And when I do, you're going to feel this like capillary red blood cells moving. You're going to feel. Watch this. Check this out. Ready? So we're
Okay,
going to
go.
1,
Here,
2,
here,
3,
here.
4, 5, 6, 7. Now give me your hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now, right now, are you feeling anything? Because you're not supposed to.
Oh,
No, right?
I don't
No.
feel anything.
No, but I
Just
want to show
regular.
you something. You know how
What do
people do? Most people like shots and needles.
No.
Imagine
No.
having
Go
a
here.
way to have the blood come to the surface
No.
without you having to have your blood drawn. So when I
Okay.
count to 5, I want you guys to slap this paper, leave your hand on there for 5 seconds, and count with me. Ready?
Okay.
3, 2, 1, go. 1, 2, count with me. 3,
3,
4,
4,
5. Take it out.
No, that
Now, can you
is
pick up the
crazy.
paper? And now, like, hold it up. Now, imagine being able to get the blood. Actually, is it really blood? No.
Yes!
But
Yes,
if you
it
think,
is.
I give my blood, sweat, and tears
if you
to this
think
show.
Halloween, you think blood, you think gore, you think. Now, this is actually called goldenrod paper. If you remember being in high school, litmus paper, acid
Yes,
and bases,
of course
this
it
is pretty much an acid-based indicator.
There you
This
go.
is nothing but
This is
baking soda,
so
but I want to show you something even cooler.
cool.
Can you
my gosh.
hold this?
Yeah.
Can you hold this?
Yes?
And I'm going to spray it, and you actually can make invisible messages.
Oh, cute.
I'm not going to wet your Marisol, I
No
promise.
way.
So here we got a little fun little ghost. Here you got, wait, let's see what this says. I'm sorry if you're getting dirty.
And
It's like
boom.
being at the aquarium, you know, don't be so close
Right
to the
through
well.
the car
Okay,
wash.
hold
So,
up.
what's up?
So what is this? This is just water
This is
and
just water and baking soda.
And this is
an acid-based indicator. It's called goldenrod paper. You could use ammonia-based, but that's a little dangerous for kids. I like going baking soda.
this is fantastic.
So now listen, I know I got under 6 minutes. I want to talk. I got the
Okay.
gift of gab, but let's move over to next one.
What do we have here?
Now, baking soda. Everybody has it in the fridge,
Yes.
and you know sometimes they say change it every month so the smell gets out. Why throw out the baking soda? Let's reuse it. So how about your pumpkins?
Okay.
After you carve them out, don't throw them away.
Okay.
I want to show you guys something really cool. So can you both take that cup of baking soda,
Okay.
pour it into that pumpkin?
The whole thing?
The whole thing. I like a nice amount. Why not, right? Why
Yeah.
throw it out? Remember when we did the 3
That's
R's? Reduce,
right.
reuse, recycle?
That's
Yes.
right.
All right, now I'm going to fill this up with some
I know
vinegar.
what's happening.
You think you know what's going to happen? Yeah. What's your prediction,
And I'm still going to be
Marisol?
so excited. It's going to throw up.
Well, you know what?
We're going to make the pumpkin throw
We
up.
are going to make a vomiting pumpkin.
Oh,
But the
my
key to make it
goodness.
vomit, guys,
Yes.
you have to have bubble solution.
Okay.
And any bubble solution works.
So this was just
Vinegar.
distilled vinegar,
So
some
we have a
food coloring.
base, we have an acid, and when you mix carbon dioxide with the baking soda, what's produced?
Fizz.
Fizz, carbon,
That's the scientific
carbon dioxide. So
Very
let's
scientific.
let's do another countdown.
Okay.
Okay.
From 5 to 1, and I'm hoping that it's angled right where you could actually see the pumpkin puke.
Okay.
Ready? In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go.
I am doing this tonight.
I mean, look at that.
I'm doing this
Wait,
tonight,
oh,
and
yeah, I
my
got it right.
16-year-old is going to think I'm so cool.
And it'll actually keep flowing and flowing. And I think visually it's great. You can make it any color. Again, why throw out the pumpkin?
Yeah,
Let's just keep
that's right.
reusing and Now,
Last
this
one, we have time for one more.
This is a little dangerous. So
Okay.
I'm going to put on
Wait,
these
so
gloves.
Marisol puts me in front.
All right.
Dangerous?
So
There you go.
I'm going to fill this up with about 150 mLs of water.
Okay.
And I got some dry ice. Now, dry ice is extremely dangerous. It's 100 degrees below zero. You do not want to touch it, which is why I'm going to be wearing these gloves.
Okay.
But I'm going to drop this right in here. You don't need a fog machine. You know, big freeze ice in Brooklyn. Like you could get you can grind dry
right.
ice, which is carbon dioxide that was made here. In a solid form. Now, what's happening is it automatically goes from solid to gas. There's no liquid process. That's called sublimation. Now, I mean, you could add food coloring and I missed. But want to see something even cooler?
That is so
All right, no,
cool.
this,
How?
I think
How?
I'm about to do something you guys have never seen.
Oh, boy.
Imagine
Oh, boy.
going big.
Step back. I got
now,
you.
wait, wait.
We stepped all the way out
You
of frame.
don't want to touch the dry ice. So I'm going to add a nice amount, and once it's in there, you guys are safe, okay?
Okay.
So if any fall on the floor or
We
on the
trust
table,
you implicitly.
don't
Carmelo.
touch, don't trust me, trust me. All right. Now, I want to show you something so amazing. And I'm
Okay.
going to need Marisol. You're going to hold
Jesus
this.
Okay. He said,
And
you're
Alexa, where are you going? Why are you leaving? I
was
want
like,
you
we're
to
doing the hard
take
part.
this, and I want you to cover this and hold it like that,
Okay.
so that none of the gas is escaping.
Okay.
Now, Marisol,
Oh, gosh.
it's not a vape. Stop. No, hold it. You want to exfoliate your
Thought
skin?
it sold
now.
out we were at the hookah bar.
So now check this out. Bubble solution. Okay.
Yeah.
Now, what if we trap? Okay. The gas that's moving through.
Yeah.
Dip it in. Be with me.
Yes,
We're going to dip
I'm
it
with
in the
you.
bubble solution, and we're going to take it out. Wait.
Oh, it's broken bubbles.
You know what? Hold
Live
on, hold on, hold
television.
on.
It's getting frightened.
No, you know.
Is it me?
No, it's not you. It's like I didn't add. Hold on.
Uh-oh.
Sorry. All right,
Oh.
now let's do it.
Now let's do it.
There we go.
For his final.
No, wait, don't leave. You gotta touch it. You gotta touch it. You gotta touch it. You gotta touch it.
I'm so easily
Let's
impressed.
do one more.
Carmelo, you keep on with the experiments. Thank you so much for being here. This has been such a treat. I
Speak
hope
into the
you
microphone, please.
Hello. I hope you at home got some great ideas.
Hello,
Do yourself
hello,
a favor. Follow him on all his social media platforms.
fun.
Thank
This
you.
was so fun.
Thanks for having me back, guys.
Oh my gosh.
This is great for the kids and the adults.
And me. I would do this myself.
I have
with
a
all
lot
my
of fun for a living.